Hey everybody, it's a good looking airplane, isn't it? It's not raining today. It's not really humid, wind's blowing. And I am triumphant with a capital T. Let's go look at this thing. It's a little bit heavier than I wished it was. Yesterday I stated that they probably made it out of fiberglass or probably vacuum formed plastic, which I'm capable of doing. But I just wanted to use the materials I have on hand. It is armor plated, 16 gauge steel. It is the only armor plated thing on the B-36 flight deck. It probably weighs 10 pounds. But I've been posting some pictures in the community, and I also post them on the B-36 interest group. You can see I've got my flanged support rail, my gussets, my cutouts, and my hinges that I figured out. They're in the IPB like the other hinges from the last video. They're modified from the original manufacturers. They don't have the original manufacturers, but I kept looking at the shape and it clicked, and there we have it. I need to replace these screws. I don't do combination screws because those weren't around when this plane was built. I do Phillips, but nice and flush. Let's go look at the other side. Oh. Oh man, that looks good, don't it? I know it does. It wasn't easy. It's not done. I still got a little putty to put on my weld holes. But man, it's on there. Let's go see if it works. The challenge was to have this thing work with the hinges hidden. I guess they didn't stick out or whatever. Or Convair engineers were just extra bored that day. Or maybe they just thought that they'd try their best to incorporate that particular manufacturer's hinge into the design. We've got our curve that comes down. Still probably just gonna have to give in and put some Bondo on that, but not bad. Not bad at all. Transitions. And then that's curved. These are supposed to be screwed on, but I just wanted to get them on there. I wanted to get this thing on here and test it before I started worrying about the aesthetics. But check this out. Let's say we're cruising along at about, I don't know how many thousand feet, and the AC says, put on your oxygen masks. Well, here we go. There she be, right there. I got a little bit of little work to do in there. It's not exactly perfect. It's not exactly perfect, but it's on there, and it works. I gotta make a hook right there for the hose to go up, and a hook, I assume, there for the oxygen mask. I don't think I can do this one-handed, but well, get my leg up there. Well, there we go. Get the other leg up there. There we go. That's what you call victory. That's how you do it. I'm happy. I am happy this is done. I'm happy. Whew. So I made the front part, rounded the edges, welded on the side, cut there to give the 3-inch radius with the rest of it, bent down, welded, same on the bottom here. And then I had to make the back plate, curve the edges. When I hit my curb here, I didn't leave enough to compensate for the curve. So I ended up having to do my weld seam right in the middle of this curve. But it's all right. We still love her. Yes, we do. The next couple weeks, you're going to see some serious work going on around in here. Filling in all this and getting the airframe finished on both sides. And we're going to get this canopy done. Boom. Man, take your pictures. And I'll see y'all next time.